Tim from RedBack Lasers. I'm just going to run through a single automation system that we've customised for one of our customers. They've got an older style land plane, obviously been towed by a tractor. It's got 5 independent hydraulic functions on the land plane. They're only wanting to automate one of those hydraulic functions, which is the raise and lower of the land plane itself. So we're running with a single automation system. That's the control box for that single automation system. We can power that on. Our power has been piggybacked through a manual control box that's going to be mounted on the arm of the seat in the tractor. With that then, we've also got our communication cable that piggybacks through that manual control box. And then of course our receiver cable that's going to go off to our receiver. And as you can see, I've got that powered on here, so we've got our power on the receiver at the moment. With that function, we can raise and lower manually that hydraulic function. And if you see there, I think it's on the black marked cable. If we look at that, I've got the DIN plugs that I can activate manually. If we had the laser going and put the receiver into the laser, that's going to control the DIN plug and operate our hydraulics. So that function's fed through or piggybacked through the manual control bank, which automates that first plug. Now if we turn on our manual control box there, again now we can look at that and I can activate that same RAM off that manual control bank. Then the rest of the plugs, now I'm not too sure, there we go. The first plug is activating our red pair, the second one activating our yellow pair, a third one activating the green and black. I don't know whether I've got that facing the right way, and then finally we've got the red and black, which there, if I operate the right switch. So that's going to operate the other functions like the raise and lower, the rippers. We've got sidewalls on this land plane and another function I'm not too sure of at the moment. So feeding out of that manual control box, we've got a loom that goes to a breakout point that's going to be located above where you hitch your hydraulics on in the tractor itself. And then this loom is going to be fixed onto the land plane and of course off to the DIN plugs. So we can shorten or lengthen those cables as required for any sort of custom installation. The power on that is then feeding through to a standard plug that goes into your power socket in your tractor. We can supply those sockets if you need to install one of those in the tractor, but most tractors come standard with that. This system's been paired up with the DGL1010GM laser and the HDET elevating tripod that'll go up to 3 metres to give this farmer a full operation of what he's doing with his land plane. Anyway, if you've got a customised solution you'd like to talk to us about, give us a call at RedBack Lasers on 1800 769 858 and we'll see what we can do to help sort you out.